So here it is. Yes, it's running, boys and girls. And it is spraying some water. Not very much. So my thinking is there's a leak between now the power head and the housing. So I think I'm going to take the power head off again and see if I can get a better connection to that tube. Hopefully I have better news to share. Okay, boys and girls, this is the power head as I took it off, and I kind of understand why it's might be leaking now. I put the darn gasket on upside down. It's symmetrical with the screw holes, but if you can see, that P hole is pretty well covered, and that would allow water to go into this little cavity and squirt out here and go into the base of the engine housing. Duh! So the right way the gasket goes on, I'm probably going to make another gasket now that I have it all apart. Again, it was pretty hard to do one-handed. Let's see if I can get the damn thing off here. It would make more sense if the gasket were on this way. Duh. That way the P-hole opening is open. So, let me make another gasket and give it another try. Okay, here's a new gasket. Installed the right way around this time, with at least now the little P hole here will be open. So yeah, let's see if we have better success. Okay, well, I would say it makes a difference how the gasket goes on. Today's date is September the 18th, 2022. And this is a boat built in the winter of 1959-1960, and the motor is a 1961 Merc Super Hurricane, which is had quite a bit of tender loving care over the last few years.